They said to warn the ships. We need to understand this question, what exactly has been happening. So let me draw a little sketch of things how are. So इस क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि in the sea, let's say this is the sea level, ठीक है, and you have boats here, many boats are there. Okay, now समुद्र के आसपास में रॉक्स होते हैं, बड़े बड़े पत्थर होते हैं, which have very deadly spiky areas also, which are very dangerous for the boats and which are not visible most of the time. ये visible नहीं होता क्योंकि पानी से ढका रहता है. Okay, लहरें continuously आते रहते हैं and it is not visible कि rocks है कि नहीं है. And usually these are underwater rocks, you can say. Okay, usually this area has been hazy, not very much clear. So rocks are not visible. So they will try to come over and finish their voyage. यहाँ पे try करेंगे कि यहाँ पे पोर्ट के आसपास में वो अपनी बोट को लगा दे. But there are certain lighthouse which are being created. Usually यहाँ पे ऐसे लाइट बोट्स लगाए जाते थे ताकि they will create some kind of light as a signal. तो ये सिग्नल देगा, ये जो लाइट हाउस होता था ये सिग्नल्स देता था, ठीक है, ताकि ये जो बोट्स हैं उनको पता लग जाए कि यहाँ नहीं आना है. क्योंकि in case if you come here, so what is going to happen? These boats they will be destroyed by these underwater rocks. क्योंकि वहां पे पानी है ही नहीं, वहां पे रॉक्स है, and they thinking that यहाँ पे पानी है and it's safe to come over, but it is not. So usually they would give red light colored signals कि ये dangerous area है, आपको यहाँ नहीं आना है. And what is the length? मतलब ये जो light कहाँ तक जाएगी? It has been given to you कि this is the length. क्या आप सिर्फ इतना ही कवर कर पाओगे? This light will cover only 16.5 kilometers. ठीक है? And at an angle of, ये जो angle होगा, angle is also given 80 degree. Okay, clear? So the distance which is being covered, that is 16.5 kilometers. जो angle है, that is 80 degree. So that means again, if you see this, basically, if you see it on a circle, this is again an area of a sector. क्योंकि इस area को क्या बोलते हैं? Circle के इस part को क्या बोलते हैं? This is called sector. Okay, as we have done the previous sums also, वहाँ पे भी sector को calculate कर रहे थे, area of a sector को calculate कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे भी वही करना है. So if you read the question properly, तो ships को warn किया जा रहा है for the underwater rocks. जो underwater rocks हैं, these are very deadly, very dangerous for the ships and the boats. ठीक है? And lighthouse has been constructed. ये lighthouse हो गया, ठीक है? काफी ऊंची जगह पे लगाया जाता है, usually on the cliffs or the higher mountain areas around the sea area. नहीं भी होगा तो at least इसको और elevate किया जाएगा, इसकी height और ऊंची रखी जाती है. If it is around the sea level, नहीं है तो usually these cliffs and the mountains and the hills have been used for constructing such lighthouses. Okay, and the length has been given 16.5 kilometer, and the area of and the measurement of the angle is also given, that is 80 degree. And if you see this, what is being given to us here, sector के लिए angle दिया है 80 degree and this length is given 16.5 kilometer. Basically 16.5 kilometer is the value of r and 80 degree is the value of theta. So with this we can conclude that we need to find out the area of a sector, which is the area. This is what they're asking, find the area. So they're asking the area of the sea which has the ships been warned. Okay, the area for which, and remember बाकी area पे वो light नहीं पहुंचेगी. Okay, so this will be to and fro like this. Okay, to and fro. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ उतना ही एरिया कवर होगा जहां तक लाइट पहुंच रही है. सो दिस एरिया इज डेंजर एरिया. रिमेंबर, यहाँ पे कोई भी बोट आई तो दैट इज डेंजरस, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वार्निंग ही नहीं है. एंड फॉर दिस एरिया, बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दैट रेड लाइट, दिस इज बीइंग कंसिडर्ड द सेफ जोन. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज बोट को पहले से ही पता लग जाएगा. यहाँ पे सेफ जोन नहीं है, यहाँ पे बोट को पता ही नहीं लगना है कि व्हाट इज देयर, बिकॉज दीज आर अननोन वाटर्स. यहाँ पे अंडर वाटर रॉक्स भी हो सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज डेंजर, एंड they are asking you only this area. Okay, that is the area of a sector. And now let's see what is being given. Theta value, that is the angle, that is 80 degree, and R is equals to given 16.5 kilometers. And hence this is what we have to calculate. Area of a sector का formula क्या है? What is the formula? Theta, how do we write theta? We'll write like O and we'll cut in between. Theta 360 degree into pi r square. And they already told you use pi. Okay, use this value 3.14 for pi. And this is, check theta value 80 degree, 360 degree. Pi has to be taken as 3.14 r square. So I have to write the value of r 2 times. That is 16.5 into 16.5, and kilometer square is there, so square will be on this also. ठीक है, जैसे r के ऊपर स्क्वायर था, so r के ऊपर जितनी वैल्यू है उसके ऊपर स्क्वायर आएगा. Clear? And with this you can calculate wherever possible. Whatever you can cancel कर दो. 0 0 cancel, and 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, and 2 2s are, okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, एक बच गया, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are 18. So we got 2 by 9 into 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5 kilometer square. This is what we got. And now keep 9 in the denominator. Multiply these two first and these two. So what we got, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2.26, 2 3s are 6. Now tell me the square of these two. Square of this number 6.5, huh? 272.25. Okay. 272.25. Okay, we have to check this calculation. Okay, tell me here. Now multiply these two. 1709.73. 7 by? Okay, now calculate these two. 189.97. So kilometer square, kilometer square, kilometer square. Okay, these are the values, and you can check the book also if this answer is matching with it or not. Okay, so 189.97 kilometer square. So this is the answer matching. Okay, so this is being calculated correctly and we got the value. And you have to understand, जब basic type का question दिया है, get the drawing clear. Okay, जब तक drawing clear नहीं होगी, you won't understand कि पूछा क्या जा रहा है. Okay, thank you.